What's up, internet? This is Zendee, and guys, I'm so nervous right now because this video is quite different from my other videos. Because today, I am going to do an unboxing video. A big package from YouTube! Yay! The long wait is over! Yes, kasi nga, may 128k subscribers na po ako, which means I have a Silver Play Button Award from YouTube. And yeah, in-address ko siya sa MCA Music kasi hindi ko siya pwede ma-address dito sa bahay. Kasi mahirap po hagilapin yung bahay namin, baka mawala, diba? Sayang, once in a lifetime lang po. So, anyway, shout out kay Almo of MCA Music. Thank you so much kasi dineliver mo talaga to sa bahay, personally. Ayun, so, salamat talaga. So, ayun na. Congrats sa akin kasi after 6 years, guys, pero na. Okay. So 7 years na ako sa YouTube. Ngayon lang ako, napansin ko 128k subscribers na ako. Actually guys, last year pa po ako nagkaroon ng 100k subscribers at wala po akong idea na meron palang mga award and eclipse and everything. So yeah, after a month, ta-da! Yes. Tara, hindi ko na alam guys, wala akong idea sa mga ganito. And sorry for my other followers na who don't understand Filipino, Tagalog. I'm so sorry because I can't speak English like straight English. So just enjoy this video. And don't forget to thumbs up. Let's go! So, ito na nga guys. I-unbox ko na siya. Kaya akong cutter. Ba't wala kasi akong cutter? Mag-unbox ko ng cutter. Daw natin ako. Okay guys. Oh my god, this is so YouTube. Black guys! Black! Oh my gosh! Alam mo YouTube ang favorite color ko. Trust lang. Hindi, ganito daw talaga ata yun. So, ayun na. Ayan, so ito na nga po ang box ng from YouTube. Guys, buksan ko na ba? Thank you, Lord. Bubuksan ko na siya. Baka mahulog. Nice. I have a letter. Okay. This is a message from YouTube and I'm going to read, okay? So you've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel was touched by what you did. Oh, YouTube. They were inspired or challenged or entertained. Kinikilig ako guys, sorry. Okay. You made it to the milestone with hard work, perseverance, and chances are a healthy sense of pride. What you've accomplished can be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this silver play button, a small token of our esteem and respect. Guys, this is not small, it's big. I think this is the biggest plaque I received ever. Yeah. And you know you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Okay, believe us. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. Okay, 1 million subscribers is a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Sincerely, Susan Wojcik. Okay, CEO of YouTube. Aww. Guys, if-frame ko to as in, ilalagay ko dun sa kasama sa mga albums ko. Guys, sobrang na-touch ako. Diba talaga guys, pag pinaghirapan mo, tapos, oh my gosh, go. So guys, wag na natin patagalin to. Let's open this. I'm scared! Kasi baka pag open ko yung pangalan ko lang. Okay. Run! Okay. Iba talaga guys pag Okay. I'm so happy. Ooh, After 7 years! Okay, oh my gosh. Wala na akong masabi. Nabobo na naman ako. Guys, big deal to, grabe. Thank you, 128k subscribers. Deserve ko to. Deserve ko to, guys. Thank you! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Yes! Celebration! Love you guys! Yeah! Dapat i-display. Love you guys! Thank you!